What are the best YouTube channel ideas 2020 where you can go to make a few $100,000 every single month? I'm going to show you what the best channels are to start, and I'll also show you what the highest paying CPMs are. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, it's Alan here again from the Smart Video Tactics channel, where I post videos 3 times a week to help you grow your YouTube channels, make some money along the way, and have the best impact. If you haven't subscribed yet, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell identification icon, and I'll notify you every single day I drop one of these reliable videos, and that way you don't miss out on any of the good stuff. Guys, the time has come. On Friday, I'm going to be reviewing someone's YouTube channel. So what I want you to do is go down and comment, please review my channel, because I'll be doing that tomorrow, and I'll be looking through comments to find which channel I'm going to review. So make sure you comment, please review my channel, and I'll be doing that on Friday. Everybody will be able to benefit from this review because I'll be going into detail for that channel, and you'll be able to see exactly what improvements they can make, and you can take note and make the same improvements on your channel. With that being said, today on this video, I want to show you what the best YouTube channel ideas 2020 are, so that if you're looking to start a channel, you know how to start it right. So I want to show you a couple of things very quickly. I found this site over here. It's called getfans.io. It's a blog post, and basically it's somebody that's done a little bit of research onto some YouTube channel ideas that you can start and how much money they're paying the creators. So I want to scroll down and I want to show you the 10 most profitable YouTube niches. Then I'm going to show you some of the highest paying CPMs, because sometimes the highest paying channels and the highest paying niches don't necessarily line up, okay? Because highest paying niches may not get as many views, whereas highest paying YouTube channels could get a whole heap of views, like entertainment channels and stuff like that, but they have a lower CPM. So you need to decide what YouTube channel you want to start. So when you come down here, you want to see here that it says how to choose the right YouTube channel niche. Now, the right YouTube channel niche is different for every single person. You could be doing it obviously for passion. You could be doing it because you have a knowledge in something, you're passionate about something. You know, you can teach someone about beauty or finance. It doesn't matter. So if you've got a knowledge about something, then you've probably got the edge over someone else, and it's a really good idea. And then there's obviously supply and demand. And what that means is when you do find a channel or a niche that you want to go into, have a look at, is it saturated? What are other people doing? What else can you promote, and how else can you make money with that particular channel or niche, so that you have the best opportunity to obviously scale it and make some really good money with that YouTube channel. So as you can see, they've got a little diagram over here. Passion plus knowledge plus supply and demand is obviously going to equal how you're going to make money on YouTube. So if we scroll down here, you can see here that they've got, and I don't think this is in any particular order, guys, they've just got beauty and fashion as one of their niches on this list. And as you can see here, they've got a few YouTubers as well that you can go to and check out, and they've posted how much money these guys make every single month. And as you can see, beauty and fashion, some of their best YouTubers, and I would say these are some of the best YouTubers, because this person is making $108,000 every single month. If you have knowledge in beauty and fashion, then this would definitely be one of those YouTube channel ideas I would get into, because as you can see, $108,000 every single month purely from YouTube ad revenue is a lot of money, and people can scale to these heights. It may take a couple of years, but I'll definitely look at getting started into this. Then we've got gaming. Now, obviously not everybody can do gaming. You've got to be a gamer and you've got to be really good at it. So it's got to be a passion of yours, right? And you've got to have the knowledge. It's not easy to teach, but people love gaming and they're so passionate about it. And people that watch it, you know, watch it religiously, and you get a lot of followers. And that's why people like these 3 YouTube channels over here are making well over $250,000 in monthly revenue from YouTube ads alone. And that's $336,000 per month, guys. That is over $3 million every single year. You've got food and cooking. Again, you can see people are crushing it, anything up to $250,000 every single month. So if you're a cook and you want to look at how to make money on the side and do something different, I would definitely look at this as a YouTube channel idea for 2020, because, you know, even $6,000 a month in extra income is fantastic. If you're a fitness and a health guru or a fitness buff and you want to, you know, make some extra money with fitness, check this out, guys. You know, you can make anything from a few $100s a month and tens of thousands of dollars every single month. You've got unboxing reviews. Obviously, there's Ryan's Toy Reviews, a massive channel, makes over $1 million a month. Unbox Therapy, and there's obviously all these other ones. You've got travel. If you love travel and you want to go out and travel and you want to travel and make YouTube videos, you can make a few $1,000s a month. This is a really good one as well. Pets and animals is massive. I know I've got a few YouTube followers on this channel that have that pet niche. And as you can see, guys, don't give up, because there are people, again, making a few $100,000s. Not only can you make really good money on YouTube ad revenue with this YouTube channel ID, but you can also have affiliate sales as well, where you have links on there so you can scale and make even more money, okay? Humor obviously does really, really well. PewDiePie over $1 million every single month. And then you've got a few other ones that are making $80,000 and $4,000 every single month. And entertainment is massive as well, guys. And I would definitely recommend that you get any. I mean, Justin Bieber makes about $3,800 a month, although I don't think he's relying on his YouTube ad revenue. And then you've got vlogs, guys, and people make a lot of money with their vlogs. So these are some different types of YouTube channel ideas for 2020 that you can start. And as you can see, there's a variety of all different ones. But what these don't show us is CPM. And I want to show you what that means. So CPM is the cost per mile. So let me just go into Social Blade 1 second. I'll show you exactly what I mean by that. Okay, give me 1 second. Now, Social Blade is a site where you can go to have a look at a whole heap of different types of YouTube channels. And I just want to explain what CPM is before I show you exactly what different channels get and how much CPM they get. So if you come down here, you can go to YouTube Calculator Estimated Earnings. And once you're on this page over here, you can roughly work out how much people get paid depending on their CPM, which is cost per mile, which is how much they get paid per 1,000 views. All right, so I've just loaded this now. Let's just enter in a name over here. All right, so if you come down here, guys, if you have a look at this, let's say you're getting 50,000 views every single day. I'd say 60,000. And your CPM is from $1, which is extremely low, okay? So depending on the niche that you have, and I'm going to show you some really high paying niches at the moment, and some of the best YouTube channel ideas that you can come up with. And then you come over to here, and let's say you've got a range of $1, and let's say you go all the way up to $10. The difference between a niche that is paying you $1 and $10 is between $600 and $60 every single day. So that is a massive difference, okay? But the biggest difference with this is that you're probably going to find that a niche that's paying you $10, you're probably only going to be getting about 60,000 views every single day, which is huge. $600 a day is a lot of money, because you're probably not going to get the huge volume of views. But what you're going to tend to find is CPMs that are between $1 and say $2.50, say, they're going to be getting an astronomical amount of views, guys. And if they're getting a million views every single day, then they're making $1,000 to $2,500 every single day. This is why you need to decide what YouTube channel idea you want to go with. So it doesn't necessarily mean that a finance channel is going to do better than a humor channel. Now, let me just show you very, very quickly what I mean by these different types of CPMs. Now, I went on to Quora and I just very quickly searched for, what is the highest paying CPMs on Google and AdSense and YouTube, etc. And it's very interesting to have a look at this, because if you scroll down here, it's going to show you exactly what people get paid. Now, as you can see here, they're saying that educational content tends to get the highest CPM, while entertainment content gets the lower of the CPM. Now, that's probably true in some way, but when it comes to YouTube, I would definitely say that, finance is one of the highest paying CPMs out there. And I went onto this site. It's called Alejandro something, Roya. Anyway, so you can copy that URL, guys, over here if you can see it. Now, if you scroll down here, these are the highest CPC keywords and best AdSense niches. So obviously AdSense is that thing that pays YouTubers. Now, if you scroll down here, you can see it's going to show you exactly what different types of AdSense keywords earn the highest amount of money. And it's not surprising to see stuff like insurance, loans, mortgage, stuff like that, because finance pays some of the highest amounts of money to YouTubers out there. That's why you see people like Graham Stephan, who's making a lot of money on YouTube, because they're obviously in the finance niche. Now, if you scroll down here, you can also see that they have, let me just come down here. I just want to show you very, very quickly. These are the different bonus keywords also that pay really good money. And then you can see stuff like software, you see stuff like hosting, treatments, etc. And these are different types of keyword niches that also pay you a high CPM rate. So when you're deciding what the best YouTube channel idea for 2020 is for yourself, then I recommend you do some research. You come out to these sites and you have a look at, because like you saw, there are so many different niches and channels, and you can make really good money on YouTube from any different type of YouTube channel idea. But I want to take you back to this page and obviously show you. I would definitely think about what you're passionate about and if you have knowledge in something, and then think about how you're going to monetize that YouTube channel idea so that you can make the most amount of money. And like they said here, your passion plus your knowledge and supply and demand, which is extremely important, is going to equal money for yourself. So this was my video today, guys, on the best YouTube channel ideas for 2020. Like I said at the start of the video, I will be reviewing someone's channel on Friday. So go down the bottom and comment, please review my YouTube channel. I'm going to decide the channel that I'm going to review tomorrow. I'm going to spend all day reviewing it tomorrow, and then I'll make a video on it on Friday for you guys. Thank you so much for watching another one of my video. If you haven't subscribed yet, guys, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and that bell identification icon. I'll notify you with the next video that I drop, which is going to be Friday. It's going to be a good one. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos, guys. I'm Alan from Smart Video Tactics. Until next time, you guys take care and goodbye.